This next melee brings to the stage the youngest members of the Hālau. They are the Papa Liko, the sweet babies. The youngest is 5 years old, just made 5. 4, I mean. Just made 4. And today, they will be doing for you a pa'i umauma, or chest slapping hula that describes areas on the Big Island. Liho describes his travels through this region from Hilo all the way up the peaks of Moani'a'ala. He traveled. Allow the babies of the Papa Liko to take you with them on this journey and listen carefully as they tell you their story. The sweet darling babies of Hālau, the Papa Liko. E hilo au, a hilo au.